Hello and welcome to this video, which will demonstrate how to register for a tax reference number on the SARS WhatsApp channel. To register an income tax reference number, WhatsApp us on 0800 11 7277 and type hi or hello. SARS will respond with a description of the service offerings and a service request menu. Step 1. Click on the linked Choose an Option tab and a list of the service offerings will be displayed. Step 2. Select the Register for Income Tax option and click Send. Complete your personal information as prompted on the screen, and once you are done, click Send. Provide the rest of the personal information as prompted on the screen. Once all your personal information has been provided and you are registered successfully, your income tax reference number will be displayed on your screen. In addition, your notification of registration will be issued via email and SMS. SARS is committed to supporting you in every way possible. Please be advised that while WhatsApp offers end-to-end encryption to help ensure the security and privacy of your communications, the protection of your information also depends on the security practices you employ. For more information, please do reach out to SARS through our various service channels. SARS, at your service.